Hello, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. Miss Jamaica Universe, Dr. Jordan Lauren Levy shines at Miss Universe preliminary competition. As Miss Universe Grand Finale nears with over 90 delegates vying for the title, our very own Dr. Jordan Lauren Levy elegantly dominated the runway for the preliminary competition hosted in El Salvador in the segments of Swimsuit.
This 27-year-old is passionate about empowering marginalized women and plans to establish an international crisis center for those who are abused.
And evening gown.
Jordan is a 27-year-old doctor and advocate for personal and career development of young women.
The preliminary competition continues this evening with delegates wearing their national costumes. All the best, Dr. Levy. Jada Pinkett Smith and husband Will Smith take legal action against Will's former friend and assistant for alleging that the actor had an intimate relationship with his Fresh Prince of Bel-Air co-star Dwayne Martin. Earlier this week, brother Bilal, who claims to be Smith's friend of over 40 years and his former assistant, told the Unwind with Tasha K podcast that he walked in on Smith and Martin being intimate during the time of Fresh Prince's filming. Smith's team has denied the allegation, telling TMZ the story is completely fabricated and the claim is unequivocally false. Pinkett Smith further denied the allegation during an appearance on the Breakfast Club radio show yesterday, stating that we're going to take legal action.
And this is a person that tried a shakedown, a money shakedown that didn't work. We're going to take legal action. Because it's one thing to have your opinion about somebody versus just making up salacious, malicious stories. So that's actionable. So we're going to roll with that.
Kim Kardashian gets GQ's magazine Man of the Year title. Yeah, Man. The reality star and entrepreneur graces the cover of the magazine as Tycoon of the Year. The business mogul received the title as her loungewear and shapewear brand Skims becomes the NBA's official underwear and the launch of Skims for men. In Getting Candid, Kardashian touched on her divorce from Kanye West, stating that she ultimately wants her 4 kids to be loved and heard. Now, Keke Palmer is set to host the 2023 Soul Train Awards. Palmer will also be among the slate of performers, which include BJ the Chicago Kid, Coco Jones, Dante Bowe, Friday, Money Long, and SWV. Kanye Orlando, BT exec, stated in a press release that Keke Palmer is a globally recognized multi-talent who embodies confidence and positivity and is one of the most engaging and lovable personalities working in entertainment today, adding that we can't wait to have her host the Soul Train Awards house party. BET gave Keke her first talk show where she made history as the youngest show host on television, and they're honored to have her back on the Soul Train Awards stage. Leading this year's tally of nominees are Summer Walker, Usher, and SZA, all of whom are in a 3-way tie with 9 nominations each. Soul Train Awards 2023 is being taped in Los Angeles. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.